Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed it yet, subscribe it now to keep getting immigration and education related update. So in last few days, you all have been overwhelmed with a lot of immigration news or upcoming changes coming your way. So today, I'm gonna break down that for you, which you need to know in a simple English. Number one, 485 visa holders. Yes, little bit concerning. So the extension is gonna get abolished if you are planning that you will extend it later on. Even though your visa is expiring in 2024, do the extension right away, because in early next year, there are high chances that this 485 extension privilege will not be available for you. That's number one. You will get a lower post-study work visa. So if you have done bachelor's, you will only get 2 years of post-study work visa. If you have done masters, you will still get 2 years of post-study work visa. However, if you have done masters by research, you will get 3 years, and PhD students will get 3 years. So that means in next financial year, maximum post-study work visa you can get is of 3 years. That's for 485. Now let's talk about student visa. Okay, so can you go from 485 to student visa? Well, there are a lot of questions, lot of myth about it. So people are saying that you can't go to student visa after 485. Well, it's not completely true. You might be able to go only if you pursue a higher level. So let's say you did something on a student visa that was like diploma, advanced diploma, or any certificate course, but now you're planning to do bachelor's. That's a higher education. That means you would be able to apply. That's another update for a 485 visa holder. Further update for 485 visa holder is that the age restriction. I know this is the most hurting part, guys. The age will reduce from 45 to 35. That means a lot of people will be filtered in this, that they won't be able to apply for 485. But hang on, you don't need to worry. If you have studied something which is in a high skill, you might not need 485. You can even go offshore and apply your skill assessment and still get a PR pathway in Australia. So don't worry, guys. Even age is not an only factor which will decide your career, right? Okay, another update is for student visa. So if you're coming on a student visa in Australia, make sure you do a course which is in a high skill demand. Courses like nursing, psychologist, accountant, these courses are in demand. That means you will have higher chances of getting a PR pathway. And again, there is another speculation is that you won't be able to change a university for 1 year. That means you need to stay with your education provider and stick with them for at least 1 year when you arrive. But again, this hasn't been implemented. They might do it in next financial year, which is going to start in July 2024. Another update for student visa would be the English requirement will increase from 5.5 to 6, and for 485 the English requirement will go up by 6.5. So you will need now, and this time you need only 6 or 15 PT, but late in next financial year, there are high chances the English requirement will go up by 6.5. There is another speculation or another potential update is that the GST is gonna come, genuine student test. That means immigration is gonna do a lot of scrutiny before they give you a student visa approval. They can conduct an interview over the phone. They can give you a written test. We don't know. But it is gonna replace GTE, that's genuine temporary entrant. That means you with GTE will be replaced by GST, genuine student test. You need to take an actual test to get a student visa. Lastly, I would like to end this video by giving you why immigration is implementing these stringent regulation. Number one, there is a lot of housing crisis coming in Australia. The cost of living is increasing, inflation is increasing, which is why immigration wants to, or government wants to slow down the movement of migration, temporary migrants. So in 2023, this financial year, over 400,000 migrants came to Australia, which is a big number, which is affecting these all areas, which is why they have decided to reduce the migration number by 40%. So this will be done by 2025. So there are a lot more changes, more expected and coming your way. However, if you are highly skilled and you have some special skill which Australia needs, you will be always welcomed by immigration. They are not only reducing this temporary migration, but they want to increase the permanent migration. They want to give the permanent pathway to stay in Australia to over 190,000 migrants, which is again a good opportunity for people who are onshore and have an amazing skills, handy skills which Australia needs. Then you will always be welcomed by Australia. Again, one more update that these rules are not any, they don't have any dates, but they are saying that they will implement it in upcoming financial year. It could be 2024, 2025, we don't know. So don't get disheartened, guys. There are still hopes, there is still time. If you think we at Soul Migration can help you in any way, feel free to contact us and we'll be in touch with you. Keep watching, keep subscribing, or keep commenting if you have any questions, and we at Soul Migration are happy to assist you in all possible way. And I'll see you in the next video.